Use a 2x8 Douglas fir number 2 or better for the ledger board. Do not use press board or OSB or particle board. Use a 1/4 inch masonry bit. Locate all the studs in the wall and verify that it's solid wood, not just plywood sheeting, by driving in a 16-penny nail into the hole. Your stud should be approximately 16 inches on center. Many studs will be off a few inches. This will require drilling holes until the studs are found. The cover must be mounted into solid wood. You may use a stud finder on the inside of the wall to help you locate the studs. Mark each stud location below your chalk line for future reference. After locating all the studs, caulk up the holes with a premium quality caulk. Transfer the locations of the studs to your 2x8 ledger board. Using a 1-inch butterfly bit, make a hole with a recess for the lag bolt head. Drill the rest of the way through with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Install the ledger board using 3/8 by 3.5 inch or 4 inch lag bolts. Pre-drill the holes into the stucco with a 1/4 inch masonry bit. Refer to the chart for the snow load requirements for bolt locations. Cut the ledger wrap 3.5 inch longer than the ledger board. Measure 1.5 inches in on each end and cut the corner edge. This will be folded over to cover the end of the 2x8. Attach this with two number 10 by 1/2 inch painted sheet metal screws.